2024, Hurricanes Milton and Helene hit the southeast of the United States. With powerful storm surges, intense winds, and torrential rainfall, the storms caused widespread destruction, and in parts of western Florida, displaced millions of tons of sand and rubble. Once the storms had passed, communities were faced with one of the largest cleanup efforts in recent memory.
There was a lot of erosion between the Sanibel and Fort Myers, and it was within about 10 foot of eroding the main road that connects Sanibel Island to the mainland.
Hurricane Helene and Milton brought all the sand onto the roadways.
We're screening it with the McCloskey screeners to be able to get all the debris that may or may not hurt the general public, putting it back out on the beach.
Our biggest attraction in Southwest Florida is our beaches, and it's critical for the tourism and our economy.
We've hauled roughly 200, 250 loads a day for almost 40 days straight back out there that we had screened.
On this particular site, the sand pile stretched about 1,000 feet. So we needed something lightweight but portable that we can keep moving to where the sand is stockpiled.
The uptime on the machines and the support from the RPM, which is the dealer from McCloskey, has been extremely important because we're working 7 days a week, 12, 14 hours a day to try to get it wrapped up.
It's a very close relationship that we have with McCloskey. It's all about support. This support gives us the tools and confidence to support our customers in a timely manner. Usually these customers, when they come up with an opportunity, they want to move fast. They're very ambitious and they're very driven.
The work here we're doing is so important because of protecting people's houses from the water and protecting the roadways connecting barrier islands.
At McCloskey, we're proud to support our dealers and customers in this crucial work to rebuild and restore communities.